Florida roofs have very harsh climates to deal with, especially in the summer. Our hot sun, extreme humidity, frequent downpours, hurricane winds, and salt air can cause your roof to end up with an array of problems, from minor broken roof shingles to catastrophic damage. Testing has shown that when the blazing Florida sun is almost directly overhead in the summer, the roof surface can reach close to 200 degrees. The constant extreme humidity can lead to growth of moss, algae, and mildew, which can cause rot and deterioration. Salt air is still another problem for Florida homes and businesses that are near the coastline. The salt can be corrosive, leading to premature leaks and other roof component failures. Has your home or business been through a tropical storm or hurricane since you last had it checked? Do you have missing or broken tile or shingles? Advantage Roofing is your #1 choice for all of your roofing needs.